Explain you the lesson. Listen to it very carefully. Unit 7, The Thief is Caught, written by Emil Erich Kästner. Emil is a little boy who lives with his mother. Although she has very little money, she gives Emil some to give his grandmother and some to spend in the city. Emil experiences an unexpected adventure on the way. Read on to find out what happens. So, this is a story about a little boy named Emil who lives with his mother. Although his mother has very little money, but from that little money, she gives Emil some money to give to his grandmother who used to stay away from them, and some money she give him to spend in the city as his pocket money. Emil experiences an unexpected adventure on the way. So while going to his grandmother's place, he experienced something unexpected which he did not expect to happen. So let us see what happened with him. There were four other people in the compartment of the train along with Emil. One was a man who wore a black hat. Emil somehow did not like him. He did not know the man's name and thought of him as Black Hat. So, when he boarded the train, he found that in the compartment of the train, along with him, four other people were also there. And one was a man who wore a black hat, and one of them was wearing a black hat. Emil somehow did not like him. He did not like the man. He found him little suspicious. He did not know the man's name, and so he decided to call him Black Hat because the man was wearing a black hat. Now see here, black hat is written in small, but here because he has now given him a name, so it is written capital B and capital H because now it is the name of that person, that suspicious person. When Emil was left alone with Black Hat in the compartment, he decided to watch the man carefully, although he was feeling sleepy. Emil was feeling sleepy, but as he found the man suspicious, he decided to keep a watch on that man so that his money is not stolen. It was warm in the compartment and soon Emil fell asleep. But Emil could not control his sleep, and because it was very warm and comfortable inside it, so he fell asleep. When he woke up, Emil realized that Black Hat was gone and so was his money. So when he got up, he found that both Black Hat and his money were not there. Tears filled his eyes when the train stopped. Emil spotted Black Hat as he was getting out of the next compartment. So after stealing the money, Black Hat went to the next compartment and he was getting out from the next compartment. And Emil's eyes were filled with tears because his money was stolen. He quickly picked up his bag and followed the man. He decided to follow the man because anyhow he wanted to get his money back. A few minutes later, Emil saw Black Hat go into a cafe. He did not follow the man into the cafe. Instead, he stopped on the road and watched. So, after some time, after a few minutes, he saw that Black Hat was entering a cafe. But he did not follow the man into the cafe. That means he did not get inside the cafe. Instead, what did he do? He stopped on the road and kept a watch on him, waited for Black Hat to come out. Black Hat will pay for his coffee with his mother's money, thought Emil. He felt very, very sad and looked sad. So he felt very sad thinking that Black Hat was going to pay the bill for his coffee with his mother's money. What's the matter? Someone asked. Emil turned round and saw a boy. He told the boy what had happened. As he was standing over there and looking very sad, a boy called him from the back and asked him what was the matter. I must get the money back, Emil told the boy. I have to give it to my grandmother. So Emil told the boy whatever had happened with him, and this boy's name was Paul. Okay, and he was very sure he wanted anyhow to get his money back because he had to give it to his grandmother. I'll help you, said the boy, whose name was Paul, and my friends will join me. The man is eating now. Watch him while I run and call them. So Paul said that I am going to help you in catching this man, and my friends will also join me, and we all will help you together to catch this thief. The man is eating now, and so Paul told Emil to keep a watch on the man while he is inside the cafe, and he ran to call his friends. Paul ran off and soon returned with lots of boys. Let's be detectives and get the money back, Emil said. When Emil saw Paul along with so many boys, he became a little confident, and he said that let us now act as detectives and get the money back from this wicked man. Paul told a little boy called Tuesday to go home because he had a telephone in his house. So there was among his Paul's friend there was a little boy whose name was Tuesday. He told Tuesday to go back home because he had a telephone in his house, and it would be easy for them to manage the situation. We can give all the news to you, he said, and you can pass it on. We'll also need some food and money. He said, okay, because you have a phone, I can keep you messaging. That was not a mobile time. So on the telephone, he said that I will keep you informing whatever is the update, and you can pass it to other boys. And we will also need some food and money. And they thought, he just said that we are also going to need some food and money. Now, why food and money? Because they would need money to make a call from some calling booth, or need money to hire a taxi, and because it would take a long time, so they needed food also for energy. Some boys who lived nearby ran home for food. They all looked in their pockets to see if they had any money. So they arranged food and money both. Just then, Black Hat came out of the cafe and got into a taxi. While the boys were making a plan to catch him, they all saw Black Hat coming out of the cafe, and he got into a taxi. Emil and some of his new friends got into another taxi. So they caught another taxi, they hired another taxi, and they sat in that. Please follow that car, Emil told the taxi driver. Black Hat got out of his taxi and went into a hotel. So Emil told the taxi driver to follow the car in which Black Hat was sitting, and they saw that Black Hat got out of his taxi and he entered a hotel. The boys got out and Paul telephoned Tuesday from a booth. We are all here at the hotel, he said. So the boys also got out. Some boys were with Paul and some boys were with Tuesday. So the boys got out and Paul telephoned Tuesday that from a booth that they were all in at a hotel, and he also called them. Soon the front yard of the hotel was crowded with boys. All the boys gathered together over there in front of the hotel. Oh dear, he'll see us now, one of the boys whispered. One of the boys whispered that he is going to see us, then how will we catch him? That's what we want him to do, said Emil, and that's how we are going to frighten him. When he sees so many of us, he may get scared and throw the money at us before we make a noise. He said that is what we are going to do, that is our plan. We are going to do the way he is doing, okay, and this is how we are going to frighten him. And once he is scared, he would throw the money at us before we make a noise. When Black Hat left the hotel, there were about 50 boys in the front yard. They all followed him down the street. They moved exactly as he did. He walked slowly, and so did they. He crossed the road, and so did the boys. He walked fast, and so did they. Everyone in the street saw what they were doing. They all looked at Black Hat. So the boys started doing exactly whatever Black Hat was doing. Look at the picture, how they are behaving. They are just doing that. They were just copying him. The way he is walking, they are also walking in the same manner, and they were about 50. There were about 50 boys following him, and all people over there on the street, they started looking them that what they were doing. Then Black Hat went into a bank. Then they saw Black Hat entering a bank. Emil followed him into the bank with three other boys, while the rest of them waited outside. So Emil entered the bank with three boys, and rest of them waited outside. Black Hat handed some money over to the man at the counter in the bank. The man began to count the money. So Black Hat handed some money to the man at the counter, and the man in the bank, he started to count the money. He was not knowing where the money had come from. Stop, cried Emil. That's my money. He's stolen my money. So Emil said that it's my money and he had stolen my money. That isn't true, said Black Hat. The manager, so the Black Hat said, no, it's not true. It's not his money. The manager of the bank came out of his office and asked what was going on. Seeing this man has stolen my money, Emil complained to him. So the manager of the bank came out of his office. As he saw that something wrong was happening outside, he came out of the office to inquire what was going on. Immediately Emil complained that that Black Hat had stolen his money. Can you prove it? The manager asked. Yes, I can, Emil answered. Emil said that yes, I can prove that it is my money. And what was the proof? I had pinned my money to my pocket. The money was pinned to his pocket. If all the notes have pin marks in the same places, the money is mine. This was a proof. Very important. This was the proof given by Emil to the bank manager, that if all the notes have pin marks in the same places, that means the money is mine. The manager held up the money. Everyone could see the little pinholes clearly, and the pinholes could be very clearly seen in the notes. When all eyes were on the money, Black Hat ran out of the bank. So when Black Hat saw that he was just about to be caught, so he started running from the bank. He did not run far, for he was running into the crowd of boys outside. He could not run very fast. He tried to escape from the bank, but he could not run very fast. Why? Because so many boys were there outside. There was a crowd of boys outside, so he could not run very fast. They surrounded him and caught him. The bank manager rang for the police. Immediately, the bank manager was not now very sure of that the money was stolen by the man. So he called the police. Well done, boys, the policeman said. You are a team of excellent detectives. Important line for reference to context. Okay. Well done, boys, the policeman said. So the policeman appreciated the boys for their effort for detecting the thief. The bank manager returned Emil's money to him. Emil thanked all his new friends, got into a taxi and went to his grandmother's house. So the bank manager returned Emil's money to him. Emil thanked his new friends because they helped him in catching the thief, and then he got into a taxi and went to his grandmother's house. The story does not end here. So this is not the end of the story. See what happened next. Black Hat was a notorious thief and the police were looking for him. They had promised a handsome reward to anyone who helped them catch the thief. That was what Emil had done at the bank. So this Black Hat was not a very common thief. He was a notorious thief, and the police were looking for him. Now police is always taken as a plural noun. So plural verb is used over here. Policeman, that means singular. When I say only police, that means it is a plural noun. So police were looking for him. He was a notorious thief and the police were looking for him, and they had promised, and he also had a handsome reward on his head, that whoever would helped the police in catching the thief, that man whom Emil called Black Hat. He would get a handsome reward. Some amount was there, who helped him catch the thief. That was what Emil had done at the bank, and Emil had done that work. He helped the police in catching that notorious thief. Emil got a big sum of money as his reward. His mother joined him in the city for the holiday. So Emil got a big sum of money as a reward. He got a big amount of money. His mother joined him in the city for the holiday. He invited all his new friends to his grandmother's house, and he invited his new friends to his grandmother's house. The news of Black Hat's arrest was printed in all the newspapers. So Emil became famous as a detective in helping the police to catch Black Hat. Soon everyone in the city was talking about Emil and the detectives. Emil and the detectives, the group, that means Emil and his friends. Emil, Paul, and Tuesday became famous. These three names, Emil's main two friends, Paul and Tuesday, they became famous and they became friends also. Very good, because Paul and Tuesday and other boys helped him in catching the thief. These are very important lines. Underline this: an extract from Emil and the Detectives by Erich Kästner. Okay.